Children, kindly stand for the morning prayer song. Join your hands. You are my refuge. You are my fortress. You are my friend in need. You are my God. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face all through my life. I will serve you, Lord, with all that I have. Here I am. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will seek your face all through my life. I will serve you, Lord, with all that I have. Here I am. Here I am, O Lord. Here I am, O Lord. Here I am, O Lord. Here I am. Good morning, children. Children, last class, what I taught children, do you remember what I taught in the last class? Lesson number 2, nuclear test. Lesson number 1 is Swami Vivekananda, and the lesson number 2 is nuclear test. It's regarding a nuclear family and the joint family. Which family you like, children? Which family you like? My point of view is joint family only, because many are there and we can learn many things in that. How to give the respect to the grandparents and how to help each other. And you can learn that fields also, work also we can learn. In the nuclear family, what is there to learn? Nothing. Only 4 cents land is there in that one house. If you are going out also, another one house is there, like that, isn't it? Yes, children. Here, children, in the main lesson, children, here, Anjali, she is alone, only one child, and Anjali's parents, they are working, both are. And Anjali's grandparents, where are they? They are in the village. So, they are coming to stay in Anjali's place. Who is coming to stay in Anjali's place? Anjali's grandparents. They are coming and stay in Anjali's house. So, what mom is doing? She is going to remove Anjali's things from the cupboard. And Anjali's mother she is making a place to keep the grandfather and grandmother's things. And Anjali's mother told with Anjali, you have to leave your bedroom and you have to sleep on the sofa. So she started to cry. From the baby onwards, small baby onwards, I'm using my room. Why should I leave now? Why should I leave? And because of only for Dada and Dadi, I have to leave my room and I have to sleep on the sofa. She's asking so many questions and irritating mother. But the grandparents were very old. They are 70 plus. They are not, there it is very difficult to stay in the village. That is also only true. And they can't work also, children. They can't work in the field also, they can't work in the farm also because of their age. Suppose, children, if you have become old also, children, you also can't do any work. For example, you take my only children. Suppose if you are telling me to run, children, in this age, is it possible? Is it possible, children? No, if I am going to run also, definitely I am going to admit in the hospital, suppose if I run. The same thing, children, they are too old children, they can't even run, children, at this age, and they can't even do the work also. So what they are doing? They are straight away, they are thinking to coming to Whose house? Anjali's house. Who is calling actually? Anjali's father only calling, because Anjali's father don't want to stay in the village. So Anjali's father is calling his parents and to stay here in joint family. Yes, children. Let's continue now. Of course, Anjali enjoyed meeting her grandparents during her holidays. But that did not mean she was going to be happy giving up her room for them. Anjali was an only child. Never in her life she liked sharing anything, and she was not ready to change now. Here, children, actually, she loved to go and meet with grandparents, and she loved to go to the village only to meet, and spending the vacation over there. But now what happened? They want to come and stay in Anjali's place. That she don't like, because the main thing is, children, she want to leave her room and she has to sleep on the sofa. Only the reason is she want to leave her room and she has to sleep on the sofa. She don't like that, because she's born in nuclear family, not in joint family, and she don't know to share, and she don't know to give the things to others, and she's not talking. She's all the time in front of the TV. She's sitting and watching the cartoon and all. Now, if they are coming, it is very difficult for her. If they are coming, it is very difficult for her. So, here, children, never in her life, children, she shared things. Anything. She is not sharing anything, children. She is not sharing anything. Now she want to change because of Dada and Dadi. Here, children, what is the full form of wasn't? Was not. This is an abbreviation, children. Okay. Yeah, come to the next para. And so, it was that when her grandparents came, Anjali was her fussy, irritating and brattish worst. She made a big hue and cry over how she had lost her room. When she was not making rude comments, she would not talk much and pretended to be glued to her favorite program on the TV. She was not very polite and complained, though not directly, for she was afraid of her father's wrath. Look at here, children. The grandparents came. Where they came? Anjali's place they came. Anjali was a fussy. What is the meaning of fussy? It is very difficult to adjust, children. It is very difficult to adjust, because grandfather and grandmother came to stay in Anjali's place. So Anjali is very difficult to adjust. Very difficult to adjust. Irritating and brattish. What is the meaning of brattish? Behaved like a child and talking rude words. She don't want, actually. The main thing is, children, she want to leave her bedroom. She made a big hue. She is a big hue in the sense a loud shout. She's shouting and she's crying. Because why she's shouting and crying? She had lost her bedroom. When she was not making rude comments, she would not talk much. She is not talking with them. She is talking also rude. She is not talking with them. And she can't even watch the favorite program also on the TV. Because Dada and Dadi, they are watching the news. Otherwise, serials they are watching. And this girl is want to see the cartoon. This girl is want to see the cartoon. Everything is missing. Her favorite program also missing. And she is talking also rude. And that is also few words she is talking, not more. Not more. And she was not polite only. She is raising her voice and she is talking. And only she is afraid of wrath, means anger. The father is very strict. Only she is afraid of her father's anger. Come to the next para. It was true having grandparents living with them needed adjusting to a new routine. They were used to a different way of life. They woke up much before anyone else did, and that made things awkward. Dadi was forever doing some puja or the other. And if there was objection to onions in the food one day, it was X the next. They would not go with them to eat out in restaurant. They would not watch movies in theaters. They would not enjoy shopping just for fun. They thought strap dresses were too foreign and short skirts totally avoidable. Pop music was noise and ice creams were not good for health. Look at here, children. The grandparents are coming in the sense their life is totally different, children. We got up very late. At what time we got up? If we are working, we'll get up at 6 o'clock. And grandparents are not like that. They wake up at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Their routine. Their routine it is. Every day they wake up at 5 o'clock in the village. Past children, 70 years, they stayed in the village and they woke up at 5. Now how it is possible to change? How it is possible to change the timetable? It is not so easy to change the timetable. 70 years they stayed in the village. 70 years. Used to. For them now, used to. So here also they are doing the same thing. They wake up early in the morning. Early in the morning. But here there is what to do? No work. No, farm is also not there, field is also not there. What to do? What to do? See here. They were used to different way of life. Yes, that life is totally different, children, and here nuclear life is totally different. Nuclear family is totally different and the joint family is totally different. Joint family meaning, children, many work is there, children. Cooking is, they have to cook. Many members are there. They have to cook. And they have to sweep the house, they have to outside also, they have to clean, they have to go to the farm also, everything, all, not even single minute they are not getting to sit also, children, in the village. But here, work only not there. Yes, they woke up much before anyone else did, and that made things awkward because they don't like causing difficulty because they woke up at 5 o'clock and these people are woke up at what time? 6:30 maybe. It is difficult. It is very difficult to adjust. It is very difficult to adjust. Suppose, children, if someone is coming from your cousins or your anybody is coming, and you are also to adjust. It will take to adjust. No, it is taking time, children. It will take a time to adjust. It will take a time to adjust. For example, children, one example I am going to give, children. One of my dad's friend, and he is in Punjab, and he stayed in our house 1 week, children. It is very difficult to adjust, children, for us only, because why, you know that entirely this one cooking is entirely different. They are not eating rice, only the farota and the lassi, only that. And morning, children, they are not. They wake up late, children. They are wake up at 9, 10 like that, and the night they are not sleeping. Night they are not sleeping, and all the time they are going out only. They are coming at in the night 11 o'clock. For us also it is very difficult. The same way, children, here also same thing. Here to adjust the time it is very difficult, children. If suppose somebody is coming and staying in your house, it is very difficult to adjust, children. Very difficult to adjust. Yes. Dadi was forever doing some puja or the other, and if there was objection to onions in the food one day, it was X the next. Here, children, Dadi, she woke up early in the morning and she's doing the puja. She's doing the what, children? Puja. Or the other. Sometimes, children, in some are now also it is there, children. Some are not eating non-veg on Fridays. Non-veg, and some are not eating onions also. Onions also they are not eating on Fridays or Tuesdays or something else. They are not eating. If they want to go to the temple, they are not eating the non-veg. Isn't it, children? Yes. The same thing here also, the same, children. They would not go with them to eat out in restaurant. They are not going outside to eat, children. They are cooking themselves and they are eating. They don't like outside food at all. They don't like outside food at all. What they are doing outside, children? They will put something for the taste. Baking powder, something they are going to put for the taste. But for us, it is very tasty for them. But old people don't like the restaurant food only, and they don't want to go out only for the restaurant, waste the money. They are telling, why you are wasting the money? Don't waste the money. We'll cook here only. Yes, they would not watch the movies in theater. They are not going out to watch the movies. In their life, children, they don't know what is the meaning of theater only. In their life, what is the meaning of theater only, they don't know. You take my own grandparents, my grandparents example, they don't know only what is the meaning of theater. They don't know. They're asking, what is it? How it is coming? They're asking so many questions. Yes, they would not enjoy shopping just for fun. They don't like to go for the shopping also. If you are going for the shopping, whatever you are seeing over there, we are buying. As a waste of money only. Isn't it, children? Sometimes, children, your parents are also not taking you. Why they are not taking? Why they are not taking? Because you are asking, I want this, mommy, I want that, I want this. So, waste of money. Because of that, they are not taking you to the mall. They are not taking you to the mall. Yes. They thought strap dresses were too foreign and short skirts totally avoidable. Actually, they don't like the strap dresses now and the short skirts. What they are thinking, the old grandparents, they are not here, foreign countries. Foreign countries, they are wearing everything, children. You know that very well. Their mentality is like that, but the nuclear family mentality is not like that. Pop music was noise and ice creams were not good for health. Pop music, we love to DJ and all music. When you are traveling, when you want to go to far places, you love to listen to the music. If suppose the music is not there, you are going and telling the driver, put the music. Isn't it, children? But here grandparents are opposite, totally opposite. They don't like music at all. They don't like music at all. What they are listening? Bhakti Gite, that they are listening. And music, they don't like. And ice creams. What they are telling? No, it is not good for health. Don't eat ice cream. That we are also telling. Don't eat ice cream, especially in this time. Especially this time, COVID time. Don't eat ice cream. You are also telling the same thing. It is not good for health. Come to the next para. The one thing they did share was an addiction to television. But the programs they watched put Anjali to sleep. Anjali felt as if she had suddenly been impressed. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too small. Now look at here. Now she can't share anything. Now they want to see the serial, otherwise news. They want to see the news. What they are doing? What they are telling Anjali? Anjali, first you sleep. After that, we are watching the serials. Otherwise, watching the news. Anjali suddenly something else is she, because Anjali has to now adjust. Because of grandparents, children, Anjali has to adjust. And she is very much worrying about father. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly. The house is 800 square feet is there, children. 850 square feet is there, big house. Suddenly it is too small, it looks like. Because why, children? First there were only 3. Now 5 members altogether. And in one room only, Anjali is sleeping on the sofa, and in the same room only they are watching the TV over there. And the house looks like small, children. As the days passed, Anjali's anger mellowed into a guarded truce. It was impossible to remain angry with someone who was so kind. Dadi stopped commenting on her clothes and even bought her a pretty t-shirt when they went sightseeing. TV became a divided schedule of the most favorite program on each individual list. Dada helped Anjali with her projects and he was big help with the math syllabus. He also got Anjali into the habit of reading the newspaper and they would exchange world views when he walked with her to the bus stop every morning. Look at, as the days passed, children, many days passed. Now Anjali little bit she's turned. Mild means softness. Mild means softness. Anjali little bit softness. She's not showing her anger. Guarded truce means children temporary deal. She's not now. She's adjusting. She's trying to adjust. Anger is also going down. And it was impossible to all the time anger, children, no good. No good. All the time if you get an angry mood, no, it is not good, children. Dadi stopped. Now Dadi is also not telling anything. If she wears the short dress also, anything also, she won't tell anything. And even bought her pretty t-shirt when they sightseeing. They are going out like that only. Suppose if they go out, when she saw the t-shirt, she is bringing and she is giving to Anjali. And now TV divided into two parts now. Because timings is there. On half an hour or 1 hour she has to watch. Then they are watching. The serial and the news and everything, they are watching. Dada, what Dada is doing? See, what help if the joint family is there. See, Dada helped Anjali with her project. Dada is what he is doing. He is helping Anjali in the project. And he is teaching math sums also. Everything he is doing. He also got Anjali into the habit. See, Dada is telling Anjali, you have to read the newspaper. Then only your language will improve. Then you will get the extra knowledge. I am telling you also, children. From the beginning only I told you, read the newspaper. That is in English newspaper you have to read, children. Your language will also improve and general knowledge also improve. Your language will improve. Yes. He also got the reading of newspaper and they would exchange the world views when we walked with her to the bus stop every month. See, he is going to the school. The time he was dropping Anjali to the bus stop. At that time, while walking, children, they are Anjali's father, Dada is there, no? He is telling each and everything what is there in the newspaper, worldwide news. It's telling to Anjali. Yes, come to the next. Anjali's mother worked in an office and she left along with her father every morning. Breakfast was always cornflakes and it was usually sandwiches for Anju's lunchbox. And when her mother got back in the evening, she was so exhausted herself that cooking was never a great activity. Look at her. Look at here. Anjali's mother is also children working in an office. Early in the morning and father is also both are working. Early in the morning, children, they are every day they are making the cornflakes, otherwise sandwich. Because it is very easy to prepare and the time is also very less. If you are doing chapati, otherwise if you are doing parota, if you are doing puri bhaji, time will more. And if puri also, if you are doing puri also, bhaji we needed. Isn't it? If you are doing chapati also, that is also curry or something will be needed. You can't eat like that only. Isn't it? It will take a time. It will take a time. So, the best thing is cornflakes and sandwich. All the time she is preparing that only and for the lunch also she is giving that only. And when her mother got back in the evening, she is coming back in the evening. Exhausted and tired. She is also tired because she is working there and again here also she has to cook and she take care about Anjali's everything she has to do, no? Herself that cooking was never a great activity. She is also thinking, oh, again I have to come and cook. My God, tired only. First of all, tired. So much work is there in the office, and here also I have to work now. And she is fully tired. Yes. But now, Dadi had taken over the kitchen. She actually said she was getting bored of doing nothing. Dadi was a fantastic cook. Suddenly, they were being pampered with the most divine parotas, sabji, mithai, and pakoras, salad, and pickles. Anjali's mother could now slow down a little and rest her feet. She even had a more time for her daughter. She was also immeasurably reassured that her child was in the most caring hands possible. Till one day, when the grandparents announced, "We are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while." Look at here. Dada and Dadi, they are sitting in the house only. They are also getting bored. So, what Dadi thought? I am helping. I am getting bored. So, Dadi was, she is also very good cooker. And what she thought? I am taken over the kitchen. I am going to the kitchen and I am doing all the things. Cooking rice, curry and everything. And she is a fantastic cook. And suddenly they were being pampered with the most divine. See what she's doing: sabji, mithai, pakora, salad, pickle, everything she's doing. Anjali's mother, when she's coming in the evening, everything is ready now. She's getting rest, and she's getting a time to teach Anjali also because of Dadi. Because of Dadi. She was also immeasurably reassured that her day when grandparents announced. What is the meaning of immeasurable, children? Quality of service improved. Reassured means very certain. See here. And now what happened? She's getting a time, children. Every day she's getting a Anjali's mother, she's getting a time also. She's taking a rest also. And she's taking care of Anjali also. Everything she's doing. And one day what happened? Grandparents announced. See, the grandparents is telling, "We are thinking of going to Rita's place for a while." Suddenly, the Anjali's mother said, we are thinking of going to Rita's place. I'm going to Rita Bua. She's staying in Delhi, no? I'm going there for a while. Okay, children, here I'm going to stop it, children. Going to stop it here. And the difficult words, children, you have to write it in the rough book 5 times, children. Fussy, brattish, irritating, mellowed, exhausted, immeasurably, reassured. All these words, children, you have to write it in your rough book 5 times, children. Got it? Yes, children. In the next class, in the next class, I'm going to read the full lesson, children. Only one page is remaining. After that, I'm going to read the full lesson, children. Okay? Yes, children. Take care.